Hey guys, an animated gamer here. I'm assuming by reading the title of this video alone, you have several questions. And yes, first and foremost, this will probably be my last video on YouTube. Listen, I don't want this to happen. I have so many possibilities for my YouTube channel, but I just don't think it's likely, and I have my reasons for this. I'm pretty sure all of you guys are aware of COPPA, the Online Children and Privacy Protection Act, which originated in 1998, is basically a law that protects children from revealing personal information online. There are videos that go more in depth with this situation, but to put it simply, YouTube has been breaking the law for a long time, and about 6 years from what I understand, and was eventually fined over $170 million for violating the Child Privacy Act. And thus, it eventually led to COPPA releasing new policies for YouTube. Allow me to elaborate on that. YouTube is now allowing content creators to label their videos as for kids or not intended for kids. Now, at first glance, it may seem all fine and good, and that's kind of what I thought originally, but oh boy, it's quite the opposite actually. Say your video isn't really intended for younger audiences, specifically those under 13, as COPPA puts it in some of their articles and whatnot. But the YouTuber in question, although claims that their video is not intended for children, COPPA will look at those videos, and if they find something that that can be determined at first glance targeting children, you will be fined with $42,000. Now, I'm currently looking over what COPPA considers appealing towards children. These things include kids' jokes, music, kids' games, video games, children TV shows and stars, cartoon characters, sports, stories, toys, children books, fantasy, children, arts and crafts, pets, products primarily purchased or consumed by kids like snack food or cereal. Really think about that for a second. Now, the ones I'm going to mention here are video/computer games and cartoon characters. Now, as you know, my YouTube channel is centered around gaming and animation, and COPPA will consider these aimed towards children. And to be fair, my Mario series is kind of aimed towards children. I mean, at first glance, except it's not necessarily meant to be that. I always saw it as like entertaining for kids, entertaining for adults, doesn't matter. And as for gaming, video games, yes, although appeal to children, they also appeal to adults as well, like myself, which allows me to segue into this next topic, presentation. The website uses visual content appealing to children, animated characters, bold or fast-moving graphics, or bright and vibrant colors. Another problem here. So animated characters, this kind of falls in line with what I was saying earlier about my series. On top of that, plenty of other animated YouTube channels as well. Let's not forget that most people use these not to appeal to children. They think it looks nice. It allows the video to look much nicer than it would have if it didn't have those things, if that makes any sense. Listen, what I'm saying here isn't really doing this entire situation justice. There are other videos online that go more in depth with this and can describe this much better than I ever can. I'll leave a link to some of those videos in the description. But these potential problems, although in some cases couldn't necessarily apply to me, in other ways could also apply to me. I don't want to take the risk, and thus that's kind of why I'm quitting YouTube. And I'm not alone on this at all. There are multiple videos on the internet that discuss the situation that eventually lead to content creators quitting the site because of these policies. Now, this video has been pretty negative so far, but there is hope. Starting from now till December 9th, the FTC, the guys behind COPPA, will be taking public comments about these rules. Please, I encourage everybody watching this video right now to go to the link in the description below and tell the FTC about your concerns on this entire situation. And please, be civil when discussing your concerns, because if we act aggressive, they will not listen to us. Please, let the FTC know about how these laws will damage people's careers and how incredibly vague they are. And also, as previously stated, check out the videos in the description so you can get a better idea on this situation, and thus you'll be able to express your concerns. Now, this begs the question, what's gonna happen with me? Well, I'm just gonna come straight. If these problems actually do occur, and the FTC goes through with these new laws, this is it. I will be quitting YouTube. Although these rules won't impact me, or at least I'm sure of it. I mean, I am consider myself a kid-friendly channel after all. These will damage people's careers, and I don't want to take the risk. Who knows, maybe the FTC will interpret my videos differently. So to put it simply, if we can't do anything about it, that's it. I will not only quit YouTube, but there is a strong possibility that I will delete this channel as well, including my Let's Play channel. Now, this doesn't mean my time on the internet is done for. I will be posting updates on my Discord server, Instagram, as well as my Twitter account. Please follow those in the description if you want more details. And as for the future of my series, I'm considering moving the series to Newgrounds. But as previously stated, I will inform everybody about this on Twitter, Instagram, and my Discord server. Apologies for all the stuttering and whatnot in this video, and me not able to express the entire situation fully or correctly in some cases, because I feel like I messed up in a few areas. I haven't played the audio back yet. This is still the middle of recording after all. So, as I said several times throughout this video, go to the videos in the description so you can get a better understanding of the situation. Express your feelings to the FTC about how negative these will affect people, these laws will affect people, and also sign the petition in the description below to save YouTube, because if we don't, before it's too late, YouTube will be gone, to put it lightly. Guess that's all I really need to say right now. Again, apologies if everything I've described in this video wasn't really accurate. I kind of had to get this video out for you guys, so please follow the links in the description for everything I just mentioned. And I guess probably not on YouTube, but in other areas, Twitter, Instagram, Discord. I'll see you guys. Peace out.